Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and I have any question to you. Do you like to travel? Yes, it's travel, especially to nature, such as camping, lakes, or it's waterfalls. I'm in here to explore tourist objects in Indonesian, precisely in West Java, Taman Village, Panjalu district, and then Ciamis City. This is located at the foot of Sawah Mountain, about 35 kilometers from Ciamis City to the north. And this tourist object can be called Seven Waterfalls Panjalu. Do you know why it's called Seven Waterfalls? Okay, that's right, because there are seven waterfalls in here, and it is so amazing and beautiful. Seven waterfalls in Panjalu is at an altitude 1800 to 1900 meters above sea level, and the weather ranges between 17 to 18 degrees Celsius. It is quite cold, okay, and it's a festival to wear warm clothes, okay. For those who use public transportation, you can ride from Ciamis Terminal using the Ciamis to Panjal direction, or from Bandung, okay, using the Ciamis direction via Panjalu. As the name suggests, Seven Waterfalls Panjalu or Seven Waterfalls Cibola, there are one waterfall, two waterfall, three waterfall, Cibolang Waterfall, Simantaja Waterfall, Cilate Waterfall, and the last Cibulu Waterfall. And in there, it's so many waterfall. Okay. According to legend, Seven Waterfall was from a spring of a king. It is said in ancient times there was a very long drought in this region. There is no water and the land is sparse, so that the people are plagued by prolonged hardship. This made the ruling king very concerned. He then imprisoned to beg for rain, so that the state of his country recovered as before. But his effort didn't also get an answer from the Almighty. The king was even more sad to tears. But a miracle happened. The king still slowly turned into pools and grew bigger, forming a stream that finally split and filled all seven cliffs, then formed seven waterfalls. And then, of course, that's just a myth, okay? Don't leave. But it's up to you. Okay, when you start entering the Seven Waterfalls Manjalo attraction, you will pay an attraction ticket for 7,500 in very cheap, isn't it? And you can already enjoy the freshness and natural beauty in here, okay? And you can visit Seven Waterfalls, cheerful picnics, trekking, and then camping. Upon entering this tour will be welcomed by a very high pine forest and a very interesting sight. You will also walk along this pine forest with the route. Going up will drain a little sweet. Don't forget to bring lunch. And then don't worry, there are also mini stalls in here. Okay, although there are seven of them, the distance between the waterfall isn't too far, so that everything can be reached within 2 to 3 hours. Okay, that's the first waterfall, only about 50 meters from the gate. This waterfall is the biggest waterfall with a height of about 120 meters and the width of 20 meters. On the left side, there is a flat cliff. This is where many visitors gather because it isn't closed. Okay. And then the second waterfall is about 1 kilometer from the first waterfall. After that, we can visit the 3 to 5 waterfalls. The first waterfall we have is the fourth waterfall. Is the name Cibolang Waterfall. Why fourth waterfall? The first? Yes, because the third and fourth waterfall and the third waterfall's position above the fourth waterfall, while the fifth waterfall is below the fourth waterfall, such as the first and the second waterfall, which are located close together. And then the fourth waterfall, as the name Cibolang Waterfall, has a height of about 50 meters with a width of about 5 meters. This waterfall is also stratified even though the level is short. And then this is the third waterfall, and this is the fifth waterfall. Furthermore, the sixth waterfall are the name Cilutik Waterfall, and the seventh waterfall, the name is Cibulu Waterfall. Conditions were not exceeded height, about 30 meters. Visitor must be careful because the route together is very slippery and stuff. Okay, finish about 7 waterfalls, and don't forget, before back to home, you can camp in here, okay? And the last, if you like 7 waterfalls, you should visit, okay? Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.